right. What are we doing today, Dad?
Making air horns.
Yeah.
What are we using?
PVC pipe, electrical
balloons.
tape, and air and
Balloons.
And balloons.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so you need
Show
to
us how
cut
it's done.
like an inch or a little bit bigger than an inch piece. So I just go right by that Y.
The what?
Okay, so Xavier's gonna show.
You got to be straight up and down with it. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Watch your finger, Dad.
Now you got to click it again. Click it again. Cutting the PVC pipe to make the air horn.
And how long is that one?
It's about
2
that
feet.
long.
2.5 feet?
2 feet.
2.5 feet, approximately.
Yeah.
About 3 feet.
All right.
Cut.
your pipe,
Okay.
dude.
Jackson's gonna finish cutting his.
Boom.
Good job.
And next you put
Grab your balloon.
balloon.
You're gonna want to put that piece inside the balloon, and you have to stuff it down.
Did you get yours in, Jax?
Grab
You
that.
need Dad's help?
Get that.
And then we put the excess onto this.
Oh.
And
I think your inside tube needs to be down in there a little bit. No?
then we put it. Like that. Like that?
Yeah.
No, I'm doing it.
We're gonna test it.
No, I'm doing
I
it.
want to test it one time.
No, that.
That's long and loud. Holy crap.
We gotta tape this, huh? One more. And you're holding that tight so when I pull this, it doesn't smack you in the face.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it popped right through his balloon.
Why?
Okay. So Xavier's kind of turned out more like a... That's like a deep ship in the night kind of foghorn.
Take it apart.
They are totally different tones. They're completely different tones. That's kind of cool that you can make them different tones depending on...
Take it apart.
Dad's making a mountain horn. So we're gonna see what it turns out like.
Chill. Chill.
Oh my goodness. What have we done?
I'm attached this to my scooter.
I am too. Cause so when people can learn,
Let's start horn. Bow, bow.
I'm gonna go. Watch where you go, bud.
A big one like they used to
put on the cars. We
It's like
still
water
have.
balloons.
Well, you're gonna need a great big thing then.
Why?
That's gonna be hard to blow up.
I have air compressor.
All right, let's see what your mountain horn sounds like.
It's gonna pop, Dad.
See?
That was better.
The longer the stick, the deeper the tone. The shorter the stick, we ought to do one of you guys is short and see how high pitch you can get it.
Like this.
Mom, cut mine right here.
Imagine we start making music with them.
Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Chicka 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 boom, chicka boom.
I wonder if I
boom,
drill
chicka
holes
boom,
in it.
chicka boom. It would. It would totally play like an instrument, like a flute. Go get the drill. Try it out. You've cut off the thing at the end here. Can you get it, X? No,
Still
bud.
deflates. You're going
Here,
smaller?
can I
Yes, I made it.
get yours in there, X?
Mine's louder.
You're gonna have a pop.
I want to make like a 4-inch one.
Okay, go